Good morning, xin chào gia đình YouTube nha. Good morning everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to cook this rice right here. It's Genmai rice and it's by Sukoyaka. So it's a whole grain brown rice and it's a short grain, okay? And gluten-free, non-GMO, and it's great. I buy the 15-pound bag always, and so I'm going to show how to cook it. I'm going to use one of these cups, small one, and this is the rice cooker thing, and I'm going to do 3 of these cups. 1, 2, 'packing full. 3, okay? 3 full ones, right? Now, I'm gonna wash it. So, maybe like to wash it with warm water. This is how I wash it. Alright. I'm gonna wash it with warm water here. Wash it real good. Alright. And once you wash it real good, you rinse it out. So I'll rinse it out. Add some water, rinse it out. And then I do about 3 washes. Okay. Something dark in there. A bug or something. I'm not sure where that is, but that's why we wash it good. So I'm gonna do 3 good wash. Mình giữa 3 nước lần. Okay, this is my 3rd wash. All right. I like my water to be clear, so I'm just gonna rinse out the water. Okay. Then I rinse out the water. And now, when I do the water, I fill it up to number 3 on the line, okay? I fill it up to number 3 on the line, okay? And you'll see a number 3 right there on the line, the bubbles. Alright, so I get right at the number 3 line. Right there, okay? Number 3. And I just put it in a rice cooker. Make sure the bottom is clean. Make sure everything's flat in there. Alright. Alright. Mình dùng cái rice cooker để nấu nha. So regular Tiger or whatever rice cooker you have. And that's it. Vậy thôi. Nấu mấy cái gạo này vậy nấu mà. Còn mấy cái loại mà gạo brown rice nó khó nấu lắm, nhưng mà cái này là easy cook, so dễ nấu. Mấy người bị diabetes, tiểu đường á, thì ăn cái gỏi gạo này tốt. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Alright, so it's finished cooking. It's done. Keep warm. And it has been about 45 minutes. So I'm going to check the rice and let you see. Turn on the light here. Give me a sec. Okay. And there it is. So it don't take 45 minutes to cook, about 30 minutes, but I let it longer so the water can soak in and make the the water absorb into the rice, so it expands much better. All right, so but that's it basically. You gotta, this is what I do after I kind of beat up the rice so it doesn't stick together. And I'll let you see a closer look. But yeah, it's just like regular jasmine rice when I eat it. And it doesn't have that hard taste to it. When you bite into it, it's very soft and gentle. And it don't have that weird smell like the other brown rice does. But yeah, this is very, very good taste. I think for me, one of the best brown rice out there. Alright, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day.